If your clean dishes still smell weird or come out cloudy, probably your dishwasher is dirty. Today I am fixing that with a simple non-toxic deep clean. Let's start. First, make sure your dishwasher is completely empty, then get out both shelves and the cutlery basket. Your model might look a little different, but they all have some kind of filter system like this, and this is where a lot of bad smells come from. Down at the bottom, you will usually find two filters. This is the first one, and the netted filter is the second one. I'm twisting and lifting the first one out. Let me show you up close. See all this gunk trapped in the mess and the corners? That's why your dishwasher smells and why dishes sometimes don't come out fully clean. Now I'll get the second filter out. Mine is clean today, but sometimes the bottom of this second filter is full of gunk. Take both filters to the sink, add a little dishwashing liquid, run the warm water, and using an old toothbrush, scrub everything, front, back, and all the tiny holes. Most dishwasher manuals recommend cleaning the inside every couple of months, so don't skip this, it's very necessary. Scrub everywhere wherever you see the mildew and the white residue. Take the second filter, turn it back, and with the same toothbrush, scrub it all around. Remove all the white residue and the gunk. Then rinse them really well under running water. See, all the gunk is gone, but there's still a little bit left I can see after rinsing. I'm scrubbing it again, and now both filters look squeaky clean. Rinse everything well. Clean up all the accumulated soap residue and the mildew. Now I am putting both the filters back in. First the flat filter, now the long filter. See how clean it is. We'll put it inside the hole and make sure it clicks and snaps properly. If it's not locked in, your dishwasher won't clean well and it can even damage the machine. So make sure the arrows meet and you hear the click sound to make sure it's locked. Now slide both shelves and the cutlery basket back in. Now take 1 cup of natural organic white vinegar. Pour it into a ceramic cup. The vinegar will help dissolve grease, mineral buildup, and neutralize odors. Place the cup upright on the top shelf. Slide the shelf in and close the dishwasher door. Choose the heavy cycle with dry boost. We are running it empty, no dishes, no detergent, just the vinegar working its way through the whole machine. While that cycle is going, use your organic cleaning spray on the outside of the dishwasher. Spray the front, around the buttons and edges of the door, and wipe everything down so it looks nice and shiny. The cycle has finished. Open the door and look at this. It already looks much cleaner and smells so much fresher. Slide the shelf out. Take the cup out. It's just water now, and pour it into the sink. Now I will go in with my organic spray cleaner again and spray the inside walls, the doors, and the rubber lining all around. With a soft sponge, I am gently scrubbing all 4 walls, the rubber gasket where soap residue and mildew like to sit. I am also scrubbing the bottom. Scrub the spray arms, and if any of the little holes look clogged, I'll use my toothbrush to clean them out so the water can spray properly. Now it's time to clean with the baking soda. It's just regular baking soda, which is amazing for deodorizing and removing any leftover smell. Take about half a cup of baking soda and sprinkle it all around the filter area, along the bottom of the dishwasher, and lightly on the walls and spray arms. This step helps absorb any remaining odor and gives the inside that really fresh, squeaky clean feel. It's organic baking soda, so it's chemical free and you can use it safely. Slide the bottom rack and the cutlery basket in and close the dishwasher door. This time we will select 1 hour cycle and press start. After that 1 hour cycle is done, let's open the door and take a look. I'm showing you all around the inside. It's bright, no more white film, no gunk, no soap residue, and it smells clean. Let's check the spray arms and the filters. They look clean too. I'm taking the filter out one more time so you can see how spotless it is now. There's no gunk, there's no white residue, there's no mildew. Lock the filter back into place. Filters are back in, racks in, and look how shiny the dishwasher looks and smells inside. If you use your dishwasher regularly, a deep clean like this every 1 to 3 months keeps smell, mildew, and buildup under control. Close the door. The dishwasher looks shiny from outside too. It honestly feels like a brand new machine again. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone whose dishwasher might secretly need this deep cleaning. Thanks for watching.